Imagine a time long ago. Dinosaurs roam the earth, giants walk among us. But then, disaster strikes. Many dinosaurs die together, their bones rest for millions of years. These are the dinosaur graveyards. They tell a story of a world very different from our own. These places are more than just fossil sites, they are crime scenes. We must look for clues that tell us how these magnificent creatures lived and died. Join me as we journey back in time. Let's explore the secrets of dinosaur death pits. Dinosaur death pits. They sound ominous, don't they? They are places where many dinosaurs died together, trapped by nature itself. Over time, their bones became fossils. These fossils tell us much about the dinosaurs' lives. There are different types of death pits. Tar pits, sticky and deadly, flood-deposited pits formed by raging waters, and natural traps, where escape was impossible. Each type tells a different story, each one a piece of the puzzle of the past. Imagine a swamp. Not just any swamp. This one shimmers with a dark, sticky substance, tar. It's a trap. A dinosaur wanders too close, seeking water. The ground gives way. The tar clings to its legs, struggling only pulls it deeper. The trapped dinosaur becomes a beacon. It attracts scavengers. They too become trapped. The cycle continues. Over time, the tar preserves their bones. A snapshot of an ancient ecosystem, frozen in time. When rivers rage, they can overflow their banks. These floods were powerful in the time of the dinosaurs. They swept away everything in their path, including dinosaurs. They carried them downstream, depositing them in large hollows or against natural barriers. These flood-deposited pits are mass graves. They contain the remains of many different species, a jumbled collection of bones. But by carefully studying them, scientists can reconstruct the ecosystem of the time. Section 5. Natural traps, a one-way ticket to eternity. Sometimes nature itself creates death traps. Deep sinkholes, hidden caves, steep ravines. Dinosaurs could easily fall into these traps. Unable to escape, they perished. Their remains, protected from the elements, had a better chance of fossilization. These natural traps often contain the remains of single species. Perhaps a herd of dinosaurs migrating together. Their demise, while tragic, provides valuable insights into their social behavior. Section 6. The science of fossilization in death pits. Death pits are ideal environments for fossilization. The conditions are just right. The sediments are fine-grained, preserving even the smallest details. The lack of oxygen slows down decomposition. Over millions of years, minerals replace the bone, turning it to stone. These fossils are like time capsules. They tell us about the size and shape of the dinosaurs, their diet, their diseases, even their behavior. Each bone is a piece of a giant jigsaw puzzle. A puzzle that helps us understand the prehistoric world. Section 7. Understanding dinosaur behavior and ecosystems. Dinosaur death pits are not just about death, they are also about life. They tell us how dinosaurs interacted with their environment, and with each other. We can learn about predator-prey relationships, herding behavior, even migration patterns. For example, the presence of multiple individuals of the same species, all the same age, suggests herding behavior. Scratches and bite marks on bones tell us about predator attacks. These are just a few examples of the wealth of information that death pits provide. Section 8. Death pits and the Great Extinction. Some death pits hold a particularly somber significance. They capture the moment of the dinosaurs' demise, the mass extinction event that wiped out these magnificent creatures. By studying the fossil record, we can piece together the events that led to their downfall. The most famous example is the Chicxulub crater in Mexico. It marks the spot where a giant asteroid struck the Earth. This impact is believed to have triggered a chain reaction of catastrophic events that led to the extinction of the dinosaurs. Section 9. The enduring legacy of dinosaur death pits. Dinosaur death pits are more than just fossil sites. They are windows to the past. They offer a glimpse into a lost world. A world ruled by giants. By studying these sites, we gain a deeper understanding of our planet's history, and the forces that have shaped life on Earth. The discoveries made at these sites continue to amaze and inspire us. They remind us of the vastness of time, the power of nature, and the fragility of life itself. The legacy of the dinosaurs lives on in these death pits. A legacy that continues to unfold with every new discovery.